Rob, Julie, all of this is complicated and politically charged. Now, if the suit is not resolved by tomorrow morning, the bond sale may fall through, and that potentially could add millions to the cost of a new juvenile justice center. Now, let's take a closer look at the citizen who filed the suit. He's former state Supreme Court Justice David Lanphier. He alleges the joint venture between Omaha and Douglas County benefits only the county, violating a joint city-county mandate. The lawsuit and the uncertainty has accusations flying.
We could not close the deal legally because of a very cleverly timed legal maneuver.
Strong words from Douglas County Commissioner Claire Duda. His fear is one Building Commission Administrator Paul Cohen also shares, that the $120 million juvenile justice project will be completely scrapped.
Worst case scenario is that the project does not go forward, end of sentence.
Cohen and Duda say the $250,000 in fees already paid to the bond agencies can't be recovered. The Building Commission can no longer put its current bond rate of 3.06% over 30 years on the market. It's a rate Cohen says may not be there if they restart the process.
You can't predict what those rates are going to be, but it is fair to say that it may be unlikely that that rate will be that favorable going forward.
Duda claims one particular public official is behind this legal push.
I believe that Commissioner Kavanaugh knew this was being filed and probably played a role in ensuring that it got filed. But that's only my belief.
Jim Kavanaugh denies having anything to do with Lanphier's lawsuit, but says the courts now have a say in the final result.
The taxpayer suit that was filed by noted and respected jurists and Supreme Court justice is a serious question of this entire scheme. And so it's far from over.
And again, Rob, Julie, one of the lawsuit's main arguments is the new complex won't practice joint use between the city and the county. Now, I asked Cohen and Duda about that particular issue. They say Omaha police already currently uses the court and detention centers as part of their practice, and that wouldn't change if and when they move to a new location. Reporting live from 18th and Harney, Jose Zozaya for KETV Newswatch 7.